Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 19th, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.42. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a loss of -2.01%. This equates to an average loss of -1.01% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases along this trajectory. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of nearly 20% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of over 27% to just over 2%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of approximately -17%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary significantly, with estimates between a drop of nearly 81% and an increase of over 115% within the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.25 and $36.72. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, "Red Day on Wednesday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock after losing 2.01%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 2.01% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, declining from $17.41 to $17.06. This marks 3 consecutive days of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.21%, with a low of $16.64 and a high of $17.34. The price has been fluctuating during this period, resulting in a 4.98% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 160,000 shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 6 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $99,100,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 68.80%, or $37.62, below the 52-week high and 78.51%, or $62.32, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media is moving closer to launching a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund after filing an amended registration with the Securities and Exchange Commission and naming Crypto.com as custodian, with the goal of launching later this year. The company has meanwhile built a multi-billion-dollar cryptocurrency position, raising approximately $2.4 billion and reporting more than $3 billion in financial assets, which has fueled recent share gains as investors reassess the stock as a cryptocurrency play. Operationally, Truth.Fi added content from GB News and Great American Media, and the firm began public beta testing an artificial intelligence search feature, indicating signs of product diversification. However, there are some offsets to these positives. Second quarter revenue remained below $1 million. The company faced significant losses. The CEO lost a defamation lawsuit, and the stock trades at a notably high multiple compared to its peers. In the short term, expect increased volatility and potential catalysts tied to the progress of the exchange-traded fund and movements in Bitcoin. Positive filings and advancements in content and technology could spark rallies. In the long term, a successful exchange-traded fund launch and monetization of Truth Plus and Truth Finance could create new fee revenue streams and justify a higher valuation. However, persistent, weak core fundamentals, legal and regulatory risks, a high correlation with Bitcoin, and the risk of dilution keep this as a high-risk, event-driven investment. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, and thus far it has risen nearly 5%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term development. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock carries sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, a general sell signal exists based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $17.78 and $18.16. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 133 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 128 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $16.99. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.7 between its high and low, equating to a change of 4.21%. In the past week, the stock has shown daily average volatility of 3.99%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest insufficient profit and raise concerns about possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $16.99. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group, as assessed by various analysts, is a recommendation to sell. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On the 6th of August, 2025, Glebe Scott executed an insider purchase of 396 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Glebe Scott also conducted an insider sale of 13,151 shares of common stock, with the same par value. On the 6th of August, 2025, Novatsky Vladimir performed an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On that day, Novatsky Vladimir additionally executed an insider sale of 18,120 shares of common stock, again with the same par value. On the 6th of August, 2025, Johann Philipp engaged in an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Analyzing the 77 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power appears to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 19.535. In total, insiders acquired 226,953,307 shares and sold 116,045,810 shares in these latest 77 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss set. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation presents several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Hence, our assessment of this stock remains unfavorable. Upon reviewing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overestimated. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we predict that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by approximately 4.66 cents, starting the day at $17.01. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.